Happy pool day, people. It is another beautiful day here in Texas. And you know, I have a video for how I did that, and the fountain, but I don't have a video explaining all of it at once. And that's what I'm going to do in today's video.
Welcome to Life Was Ordinary. Subscribe.
Okay, so I did the video on this PVC, how to PVC plumb your pool. I did this, I think 3 or 4 years ago. And one of my biggest questions I get all the time is, does it hold up to the kids playing in the pool? You can see there are 0 leaks. It is just like I built it in the original video. This thing holds up fantastic. Now, I'm gonna let you in a little secret. I'm getting a new pool next year, and I'm gonna replumb everything. It's gonna be very similar. I am gonna change the openings here. I'm gonna make them bigger on the new pool, so stay tuned for next season. The beginning of next season, I'm gonna put out a new video on how I do everything then. So, okay, so I'm gonna link this video in the description of this video. Then I added my Hayward Skimmer. This thing has been awesome. It holds up great, it works fantastic. Every Intex pool needs a Hayward Skimmer like this. They do make them with a wider opening. I have an 18-foot round, and this one works great for this pool. So I added that. I have another video for how I did this and how I plumbed it in. And I believe in those videos, if you go into the description of those videos, I have like a parts list of these things on how you can do it. Then I believe last year, I added this fountain, a DIY fountain. There's a video for that. I'm gonna link it in the description. As you can see, I plumbed it on my return hose coming back in. I put a T here and then ran that into the return to the pool. And then the last thing I added this year was this Beaver filter. So far, it's been working fantastic. It's super strong. As you can see, I get really good flow from this thing. Plus, I have my fountain running off of the return. So the Beaver filter has been working great. I have a video for that, and I'll put that in the description also. I did want to show you the hose that I use. This blue hose, I'll link that also. That's what I put on my backwash here. I just screw it in here. I used the fitting that came with this original filter that I didn't need. And I made a little end for the hose so I can screw it in here, and I run that hose out into the grass, and I just water the grass when I backwash. Again, I wanted to put a simple video together because I get so many questions on, you know, somebody will find my Hayward video and say, hey, how did you plumb that? Well, it's all in one video now. This was the original, then I added the skimmer, then I added the fountain, and this year I added the new filter. And running together is like a symphony. I mean, it's amazing. The pool stays clean. The only thing I do to my pool is I add 3-inch chlorine tablets weekly. I add probably 3 to 4, depending on the temperature, 3 to 4 tablets a week. That is all I do to my pool. I don't shock it. I don't do anything else to my pool. So again, I'm really excited to get close to 10,000 subscribers this season, and it's a huge thanks to you guys watching these videos. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please ask them. I'm really good at responding to questions. And again, I will link everything in the description part of this video. And don't forget to turn your notifications on. If you're a subscriber, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be updated. I've been pretty much updating weekly during the summer. So again, just thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and blessings upon your family, and happy pool season.